Soft, warm, reassuring motherly. Struggling to produce enough breast milk for your little one? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. Did you know there are science-backed ways to naturally boost your milk supply without stress or guesswork? Stick with me for the next 15 minutes, and I'll share 7 proven strategies that can help you nourish your baby with confidence. Let's dive in. Welcome, new mamas. I'm your friendly guide for today, and we're talking about something close to every breastfeeding mom's heart: boosting your breast milk supply. Whether you're a first-time mom or navigating breastfeeding with your second or third, these 7 science-backed tips will empower you to produce more milk naturally. Plus, I'll share some practical hacks to make it easier. Ready? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the golden rule of milk supply. Demand equals supply. The more your baby nurses or the more you pump, the more milk your body makes. It's basic biology. When your breasts are stimulated, your brain releases prolactin, the hormone that signals, "Hey, make more milk." A 2016 study in the Journal of Human Lactation found that moms who nursed or pumped 8 to 12 times a day saw significant increases in milk production. Here's how to do it. Nurse on demand every 2 to 3 hours, even at night. If you're pumping, aim for 15 to 20 minutes per session. Pro tip: try power pumping. Mimic cluster feeding by pumping for 10 minutes, resting for 10, then pumping again for an hour. It's like a workout for your milk supply. Be patient. It can take a few days to see results. Number 2, hydration is your superpower. Your body needs water to produce breast milk. About 70% of breast milk is water. A 2019 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that dehydration can reduce milk volume by up to 15%. So, drink up. Aim for about 100 ounces of water a day or more if you're super active. Keep a water bottle handy during nursing sessions. It's a great reminder. Not a plain water fan? Try infusing it with cucumber or lemon, or sip on herbal teas like chamomile. Coconut water is another great option for electrolytes. Just skip sugary drinks. They won't help your supply and might mess with your energy. Tip 3 is all about fueling your body. Breastfeeding burns up to 500 calories a day, so you need nutrient-packed foods to keep your milk flowing. Research from the Journal of Nutrition highlights that foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs support lactation. Think oats, eggs, salmon, avocados, and sweet potatoes. Try starting your day with oatmeal topped with almonds and berries. It's a lactation-friendly breakfast. Foods like brewer's yeast or flaxseed can also help, though evidence is mixed. Aim for 3 balanced meals and 2 snacks daily. And don't skip meals. Your body needs consistent energy to keep up production. Let's talk stress. Because, mama, it's real and it can tank your supply. When you're stressed, cortisol spikes, which can suppress oxytocin, the hormone that helps milk flow. A 2020 study in breast meeting medicine found that moms with lower stress levels had better milk letdown. Try this. Carve out 5 minutes a day for deep breathing or meditation. Apps like Calm or Headspace are great for quick sessions. Or snuggle with your baby. Skin-to-skin contact boosts oxytocin naturally. Even a warm bath or a quick walk can work wonders. You've got this. Tip 5 is about galactagogues. That's the fancy word for foods or herbs that may boost milk supply. Fenugreek, fennel seeds, and moringa have been studied for their lactation benefits. A 2018 study in phytotherapy research found that fenugreek increased milk volume in some moms within 72 hours. But here's the deal. Talk to your doctor or a lactation consultant before trying supplements. Start with small doses like a cup of fenugreek tea daily and watch for side effects like gas or allergies. Not every mom needs these, so focus on the basics first: nursing, hydration, and nutrition. Number 6, sleep. I know, easier said than done with a newborn, but rest is critical for milk production. A 2021 study in sleep medicine showed that sleep-deprived moms had lower prolactin levels, which can reduce milk supply. Here's a hack: nap when your baby naps, even for 20 minutes. Ask your partner, family, or friends to handle chores so you can rest. If you're pumping at night, try a hands-free pump to make it less exhausting. Prioritize sleep. It's not selfish, it's science. Finally, tip 7. Don't go it alone. A lactation consultant can be a game changer. They'll check your baby's latch, assess your milk supply, and create a personalized plan. A 2022 study in pediatrics found that moms who worked with consultants were 50% more likely to meet their breastfeeding goals. Find a certified lactation consultant through the International Lactation Consultant Association or ask your pediatrician for a referral. Many offer virtual sessions so you can get help from home. It's like having a breastfeeding coach in your corner. There you have it, 7 science-backed ways to boost your breast milk supply. Start with 1 or 2 tips today, and you'll be amazed at what your body can do. Want more breastfeeding hacks or personalized advice? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to follow for weekly tips to make your parenting journey easier. Share this video with a new mom who needs a boost, and let's support each other. You're doing incredible work, Mama. Keep it up.